Yes, I am blind.
I'm tired of touching my hair.
Watch me do this hair.
So we're gonna do it. We're gonna put some box braids back in it. I got 3 bundles of this black. I got 3 bundles of this blonde color. So let's do our hair. Okay, so I have 3 puffs. 3 puffs. Now I'm about to put the rubber bands on, part it, and y'all, my puffs are, it's a nice size. They're a nice size, especially the one in the back. Oh, done putting the rubber bands in. Okay, it's now 6 p.m. and I got the back done. The back is all done. I'm gonna dip the ends as well, but I'm trying to make sure I get this done tonight because I have an interview in the mornings. When I started, I thought I had wanted a like blonde in the front, but I do not. I prefer to be all black in the front, but I'm not about to take that braid down. Not gonna happen. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. I finished it last night around 7.
No, she did.
Yes, I did. Anyways, we're about to dip them and clip the ends.
We.
Okay, I'm about to dip. Oh, snap. Oh, Steven! But this is my hair. I put the white in the back. That's in the back. Kind of like a business in the front, party in the back type situation. But I like it.